FlakpanzerⅠ, combining the Flak 38 anti-aircraft gun and Panzer I chassis. In total, 24 vehicles were produced. They all served in the mobilized Flak Battalion 614, which was wiped out in the Battle of Stalingrad. Due to the insufficient anti-aircraft gun power, they are mostly used against ground targets. Today, I'm going to build this FlakpanzerⅠ from HobbyBoss. If I didn't get it wrong, it's the heritage of the TradeStar model, so naturally it inherited some tiny issues from TradeStar, such as unclear instructions on the menu, insufficient accuracy in terms of assembling, and miscellaneous designs. But it's an economical kit and contains generous details. It's still interesting to build. The kit contains about 60% of the interior. If it offered the engine system, then it would be a 100% interior kit. Due to a memory card issue, I lost some footage of the project, so this update may look inconsistent and needs more logic. Apologize in advance. I didn't apply lots of replacements. I just replaced the towing hook and extinguisher with 3D printing products. I didn't enjoy the assembling process, but frankly speaking, I'm surprised by the quality of the anti-aircraft gun and the trailer. I would like to store them if they were independent products. The kit didn't contain lots of PEs, but most of them were really tiny and hardly to be noticed. I applied the black and white process to the model, which is a perfect undercoat for the single color camouflage. It's gonna be a traditional early period German Greek camouflage. I want to try to combine more weathering effects in the airbrush period, so that I could expect the whole outcome sooner. And maybe because I'm too lazy. After the main German Greek coat, I highlight the details on the surface and create a reasonable highlight area on the model. My goal is to create a natural transition from white to black. I enjoy the tones of dry brush on the details, especially it appears the lovely anti-slip texture. After that, I use a sponge to apply nature-looking basic chipping effects. From this step, I lost some footage because of a memory card issue. Basically, I use this mask to mark the destroyed records. Build this container for the spared tracks with wasted PEs. And find suitable storage for the trailer. I like to paint German grey camouflage. It's simple yet potential, friendly to all techniques, and worth digging for more. I will be in double regret for this movement. Overwashing leaves too many enamel thinner filling in the gaps. Here's the precious lesson I learned from the project. The enamel thinner has melted the plastic components. You can see there are 4 connecting spots on the system, and each of them is quite thick actually. If you are aware of what's going on here, please share your ideas with me, because I'm not sure what caused the issue. I met the condition for the first time. I glue it together with super glue. Hope it could still stand. For the obvious reason, I had almost lost my mood to continue. But every kit deserves a decent destination, right? So I will have a quick finish here. Voila, that's it. In the next episode, I will paint a commercial diorama kit for the build. Let's see if I could fix my mood to continue. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, forward, or just watch the video. Any kind of interaction will be a great help on the channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.